YouTube can be hard if you don't have some kind of income, especially if you're not monetized, but I'm here to show you that you can make money online without YouTube monetization. Here we go! Hello and welcome back to another video. I'm Alan Spicer, your YouTube certified expert. And if you're looking to start a YouTube channel, grow your YouTube channel, or make money on YouTube without being monetized, then I'm here to help you. Click that subscribe button. I know it's hard to get the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. I've done a little playlist up here, but here's some ideas on how you can make money outside the YouTube partnership program. Review products and then link them on Amazon. You can pick up anything around your house. In fact, I could review anything behind me. It could be books, it could be your phone, it could be your camera, it could be your microphone, it could be any experience that you've been on that is directly relatable and directly purchasable on Amazon. You then sign up for the Amazon affiliate program, which is completely free, and then you put the link in the description down below and do that over and over and over again. Just think, if you review 100 products, 100 cameras, and you get people to click through, you'll generate some traffic, you'll generate some interest. And the best thing about Amazon is it has a 28-day cookie. I may be wrong, but still, it's definitely an extended period of time. They can hop on there, and if they come back and buy nappies 27 days down the line, you've still been given that opportunity to refer people and make money. Refer services or products. Now, this takes a little while to get your head around, but you could be part of an affiliate scheme, or you could already use a service. I use PlaceIt, for example, for my intros and outros, or I use TubeBuddy when it comes to anything else when it's SEO. And those are affiliate link programs, and I refer people to those systems with the links in the description below. That way I can make some fantastic intros and outros and make it look all flash and graphic-y, and then I can point them towards PlaceIt by Envato in one of the cards. It's very simple. You can go out there, and there's many companies out there that have affiliate schemes. Adobe, for example, you simply sign up, you put in your web address, they approve you, and then you start reviewing their products and services, or show people how to use specific features in a software program. You know, rip it apart, have a 20-part series on how to edit videos or how to use a Canon camera, for example, and then you link to the affiliate program, and it slowly generates leads, income, and affiliate income. Livestream donations. Now, hold fire, I know you're immediately saying, but Alan, unless you're monetized, you don't get Superchat. No, but if you go through things like OBS and live streaming OBS, there is an inbuilt system that allows you to donate via OBS using PayPal. You can also use a PayPal link in your description, the PayPal Me links, or Venmo and things like that, and they can donate that way as well. After all, your community is there for you. You don't necessarily have to be monetized by YouTube. Maybe offer them a service that if they donate, you'll shout out their name, or that you'll give them a channel review, or whatever you're specifically doing that's unique to you that would add value to their life, that they're willing to drop $2, $3, $5 for a cup of coffee to help you keep perky. Patreon. Now, this is a form of crowd pleasing. Effectively, you set up an account for your crowdfunding. You explain to them exactly what you're able to offer. If you donate £5 a month, I'll do live streams. If you donate £20 a month, I'll give you a t-shirt every now and then. Patreon, I must admit, is for more established YouTubers. I've not personally dabbled in it too much. I've tried in the past. Maybe I'll relaunch it in the future, but the idea is that you can add additional value, and your most dedicated, loyal subscribers and audience members will go over there and maybe want to be part of your life a little bit more, and in return you offer them something, either some additional content, some additional help, some live streams, some music if you happen to be a music artist, that kind of thing, things that you might not directly get on YouTube and are worth that $2, $3, $5, $10, $20 a month. Or you can get them to help you kind of crowdfund your next step. For example, if I wanted to go full-time on YouTube and live stream every day, then I'd ask you to donate, and once enough people have donated that I'm getting £2,000, £3,000, £4,000 a month, then I'm able to ditch my clients and that kind of thing. Use your Patreon as a focal point, but remember that you are asking, so add value first, and it will give them a reason to maybe consider it. Don't get moody if they don't though. There's nothing worse than a needy, grabby, greedy creator. Create your own digital product. This is something very simple. In my case, I might create a thumbnail pack where I can help you with templates to create better thumbnails. But this digital product could be an ebook, it could be an audio file, it could just be anything that you can sell over and over and over and over again that adds value to them. So if it is 20 minutes of me stepping you painfully through every step of setting up a YouTube channel or buying products online or sorting out your camera, that kind of thing, if that adds value to them, they might purchase it, and there might be 20, 30, 40, 50 people over the lifespan of that product that's willing to pay £5, £10, and you're making an income via a digital product. Or you can go super big and you can do what Roberto Blake does. He's created his own Creator Academy. It's a mentoring program where he has a load of people that he sits down on a regular basis, steps through all of their channels, gives them added value, and it's a classroom that he continues to mentor, and they pay him $20, $30, $40, $50 a month in an ongoing service. By the way, if that sounds like something you'd like to do, I'll put a link to Roberto's mentoring scheme below. You never know, maybe one day I'll make my own, but I don't have one yet. Generate business leads. Now, one of the biggest advantages of me being on here, and in all honesty, is I don't make enough money from YouTube AdWords and Adsense in itself to fund my lifestyle. Don't get me wrong, I'm by no means a millionaire, I'm not, but I can pay my rent, I can look after myself, I can feed my stepdaughter and my beautiful girlfriend, and everything's fine. But the way I'm able to create such content and call myself a full-time YouTuber and consultant is because I hook leads in and I create clients from my content. Is there a skill that you can teach someone that you could teach them outside this environment, and you use these as proof that you can do so? In my case, I've got 350, nearly 400 videos showing you that I know what I know about YouTube, about analytics, about the algorithm, how to create social media branding. And in my past, I've had 10, 11, 12 years of SEO and web development. I teach people through my consulting skill how to do this, how to better improve their branding. And that is one of my largest incomes outside of YouTube that came through this camera, because if they hadn't have seen me on here, they wouldn't have reached out to me to talk to me. I wouldn't have had proof that I know what I'm talking about. So think about that on your channel. Maybe you're doing fitness tutorials, or maybe you're a chef and you can have some kind of way that you can build a meal plan for someone, or teach people how to cook, or how to be a fitness guru, that kind of thing. Or you can just go with the normal thing, which is merch. See that thing right there? That's one of my Start Creating t-shirts. I've even got a shop. The link in the description below. You can sign up for things like SpreadShirt and TeeSpring. All you have to do is upload a nice quality PNG of the graphic that you're doing, and then they will generate the content for you. They will generate the products in itself. So I uploaded one little picture there. You can get that on a mug, on a hoodie, on a t-shirt, on a teddy. I believe they even have little dog bibs. It's brilliant. Make sure you're offering something that they are willing and want to wear, and you know, something that's cool. Would you wear that? If you like that, once again, link in the description below. Or maybe you're holding out for YouTube monetization, watch this video here. Go out there, start creating.